Okay, so what we're going to do here is there's this 3D printed part. I'm going to put it onto our back wheel guard as a bit of a support. So this, when you're riding along, flexes a fair bit. You can see it moving there to the side. We're going to place this over there with some zip ties, just to give it some more support. So I'll have a link down below for this printed part. But these are, it says to use 3.5mm wide zip ties, and they are 150mm long. So there's 2 of those. So I'm going to put both of those in. Then we'll be right to go. That's upside down. I know, matey. It's a hard life. Alright, so these then, well, this here goes over the tail light. And you can see where our axles are going to sit there. And the zip ties there just as a bit of support. So let's move that over here. So you can see it's going to go over the light there, and it's going to snap on there. So I'll put this back just because, well, I need 2 hands. We'll put this in. Hopefully everything will be all hunky-dory. And here it's snapping into place there. Hopefully it's snapping into place and not just snapping. And let's have a bit of a look-see. Let's shine a little bit of light on the situation. Have a bit of a look. Alright, so there we've got, oh, what a good light. There we've got at the back there, sitting over it, and then you can see the zip ties yet to be done up on either side. But it's, well, fits like a glove or a 3D printed support. Alright, let's put it back up here. Spin Rooney. I'm going to try to get these zip ties in. There we go. The same on this side. Alright, and all that's left to do now is to snip the little tag ends there from our zip ties. Now you can see no more, wow, that's really good. No more movement around there. That was not printed on my 3D printer here. It's not big enough, but I did find another 3D printer. It was actually at work. To print that on, but that's done a nice job. I haven't had any problems at all with this rear fender, but I know people were saying that over time it's not the best to have all that movement, and they develop some cracks in there. So prevention, you know the saying about prevention, something. All right, so we'll get rid of those tag ends in there, and I can continue charging it. Get these off the top here. My IKEA pencil. Okay, side cutters and right in there. Cut and cut. Whoops, it's a bit closer would be great. And Bob's your uncle. Excellent. Alright, what a fascinating video.